What's up, YouTube? I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. I hope the sound sounds good because the camera mic is literally in the back of the car. As you can see right here, look, I got the wire right here, and it's running all the way to the back of the car where the muffler is at, so you guys can get the perfect sound for the car. But my mic, I don't know if it's good or not, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up the sounds like it should. So hopefully you got an idea how my car sounds with the exhaust setup. Anyways, I made this video for you guys because I know you guys have been asking me about making a video of just me driving and you guys hearing how the car sounds, and that's what I gave you. So if you guys would like to see any other videos of me driving the car or doing something with the car, let me know and I'll try to make that happen. Anyways, thanks for you guys for the 550 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let me know what you guys think about that M4 and Accord race. My clutch was slipping, obviously. My clutch is really bad. It smelled burnt like all the time, like every run. It's been smelling like that, and my clutch has been slipping. It even got worse now after that day. So I'm planning on getting a CLUTCHMASTERS clutch very soon, and then after the CLUTCHMASTERS clutch, I will get a dyno tune, and then I'm gonna rerun that M4 and see the difference. But Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel, and if you like what you see, leave a like down below, like I said, and just comment down below and be like, yeah, I'm doing a good job. You know what I'm saying? Thanks every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.